Let's explore the new Copilot extension for Xcode. Now, your favorite pair programmer is available in Xcode, perfect for Swift developers. So I've created a pretty simple project, a calculator in Swift UI, but a button is missing. I want to add an AC or all clear button. Basically, I want to erase any memory stored in the calculator so that I can do a fresh calculation. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've set up my button and I've made some changes so that it matches the look and feel of my app. Now it's time to add some functionality, because right now the button looks good, but it doesn't do anything. So let's see if Copilot can help us out. Just start typing and Copilot will start offering suggestions. If you want to see the full suggestion that Copilot offers, press and hold the Option key. This will give you a preview of what Copilot will autofill. The code looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and press Tab to accept it. And let's go ahead and check it out. What do you know? It works. Copilot for Xcode is available in preview now.